Okay, I wanted to briefly show that you could also use this to check for DVTs. So I have this basically at the inguinal ligament, and you look for the Mickey Mouse point. And the idea behind a 2 or 3 point DVT screening is you just do compressions, and if it doesn't compress, that means there's something in the vein. So we do a compression, and the vein did not compress. Now I'm standing right now, which is going to modify the results, but I should repeat this, recumbent and see if it still is uncompressible, in which case I would diagnose myself with a DVT because I can't collapse this. So a 3 point would be basically at the common femoral, then there's going to be a deep branch that breaks off, so you want to do it just before and just after that branch, which is just an inch or two down the leg, and then you do behind the knee, basically, the popliteal veins, and then that's it. It's very quick, so I did one compression, so I can slide down, and you can see the vein sort of bifurcating there. It's compressing a little bit better, but still I would diagnose this as a DVT. So here's the popliteal veins behind the knee, and do they compress? Yep, all good.